Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all of you in the virtual learning system of Pakistan International School 5. This is our science class for grade 2, boys and girls. Today we will start new lesson, unit number 11, seasons. This is video number 24. I am Mrs. Kina Imtiaz. Okay, students, open your book and keep in front of you. Page number 46. This is lesson number or unit number 11. Seasons. First, I read it, then I will explain. Listen to me carefully. Some parts of the world are very cold and have snow throughout the year. Children have to use snow sleds to go to school. The different times of the year are called seasons. In many countries, there are four seasons during the year: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now, spring. The season of spring begins as the winter ends. The snow begins to melt from mountain tops as the days become warmer. Birds come back to warmer days and nights. Young plants turn green and flowers bloom. Bees and butterflies collect nectar from flowers. Which flowers bloom in your garden in spring? Okay, now we are going to start second page, page number 47. Page number 47. This is summer. This is the second season. Are there times in the year when you feel very hot? In summer, it gets very warm and sunny. We wear light clothes and try to keep ourselves cool. The days are long and hot. In summer, people go to lakes, streams, rivers, or the seaside to keep cool. How do you keep cool on a hot day? Number 3 is autumn. Autumn comes just before winter. A cool, dry wind blows, making the leaves fall from the trees. Animals that sleep during winter begin collecting and eating food. They know they will not find much food in the cold winter. Birds fly away to warmer places where they can find food and a place to live. What happens to the trees in your garden? What happens to the trees in your garden? Okay. Next page is page number 48. This is page number 48, winter. This is the last season, season number 4. In winter, the air becomes cold and chilly. We creep out of bed in the morning and put on some warm clothes. The days get shorter and the nights are cold and long. The mountain tops are covered with snow. Some animals sleep in the cold. Winter. If it is too cold, then even children don't play outdoors. Which indoor games do you play in the winter? Now this is the monsoon. Okay, monsoon. In Pakistan, the summer season is also wet. Very often there are thick grey clouds in the sky. The wind begins to blow, and there may be some or a lot of rain. What do you do when it rains? What happens to the roads and the trees? Okay, students, now just look at these flowers, and then I will tell you about these flowers, and also I want to show you season autumn. These are the flowers, and these flowers can you can see in the spring. Okay, and this is the autumn. This is the autumn. Now I will explain, and then I will tell you about these flowers and about autumn. Okay, students. Seasons. There are four seasons in this word. Mean internationally, our seasons are divided into four parts. Okay, like 1 year. Okay, 1 year start from January to end at December. Okay, there are 12 months in a year, and these 12 months divided into different seasons or different parts. These parts are called, or these seasons are called spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Okay, the different time of the year are called seasons. Different time of the year are called season. You have experienced, and also you have seen from January to December, we have to face different seasons. Sometimes we feel cold, sometimes we feel hot, and sometimes we don't feel anything. I mean, there is pleasant weather, no need of fan or AC, and no need of warm clothes. Okay, so these are the different seasons of the year. Okay, so different times of the year are called seasons. In many countries, or you can say most of the countries of the world, this 1 year divided into seasons, and these seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now what about summer? What about summer? I told you 1 year, different time of 1 year is divided into different parts, and these parts are called seasons. So first is spring, and spring start from the March. Okay, March to May, March, April, and May. But mostly it we we have seen these flowers in these 2 months, mean March and April, and also it goes to until mid of the May. But these 3 months, you can say internationally, these 3 months divided, these 3 months keep in this season spring. Okay, so March, April, and May. These months, in these months, you can say this is the spring season, and also you can say spring start at the end of the winter. Okay, end of the winter, when there is pleasant weather, no need of warm clothes, and no need of fan or AC. This is the pleasant weather and also pleasant environment outside. You can see flowers and blooming flowers, beautiful voice of you can say birds, and birds are coming on these flowers. You can see also butterflies. So this is a very beautiful season. This is a very beautiful season of the year. Okay, and also in this year you can go outside, you can enjoy with your family, you can go you can sit in the park, mean outside of the home. But in winter, we can't go outside. We can't play outdoor games. In this season, in spring season, you can play, you can enjoy outdoor games. Okay. So what happened? What about the birds? In this season, birds come back from the from the cold areas to the warmer areas. Okay, and young plants turn green and flowers bloom. Bees and butterflies collect nectar from flowers. I told you before, in this season, in spring also, you can see flowers. You can see also very, very beautiful butterflies. And what is the why butterflies come in this season? Because butterflies collect nectar from flowers. Okay, nectar is a, you can say, juice of the flowers. Okay, which flowers bloom in your garden in spring? All of you can observe near a, you can go near a park, and also you can observe which type of flowers are also if you have flowers at your home, so you can observe which flowers bloom or which flowers grow um, in the spring in your garden. Okay, next is about summer. Next is about summer. So this is the second division of the year. I told you about spring. Spring, which months comes in the spring? March, April, and May. Okay, and after May, June, July, and August. June, July, and August. These months comes in summer. Okay, this is the second division of the year. Are there times in the year when you feel very hot? I told you about spring. Spring is very, very beautiful, very, very pleasant weather. No need of fan, AC, and no need of warm clothes. Okay? But in summer, what happens? You feel hot. You feel hot, and this is the hot time of the year, and it starts from June until August. June, July, and August. In this time, you can wear light clothes, and also if you want to play or if you want to go outside, so it is difficult. You can't go, but in winter it's very very difficult. We can't play outdoor games. But in this season, in summer, we feel hot, and we have to keep ourselves cold. So how we can keep ourselves cool? We can keep ourselves cool by in hot day by taking bath, by taking showers, and also you can splash ourselves with cool water, and also you can enjoy in swimming pool. Mean you can keep yourself cool by swimming in the swimming pool. Okay, and also you can go to lakes, streams, rivers, and seaside. Okay, this is the hot season, and in this season you can see green plants. You can see plants with leaves, very, very green plants. Okay. Next is about autumn. Autumn, there are 3 months included in the autumn. These months, it starts from the September uh, to November. September, October, and November. Now here you can see two types of plants. This is the green plant, and this plant also you can see. This plant, what happens to this plant in the autumn? So autumn comes after summer. Autumn comes after summer, and also in the autumn we have no need of fan, AC, or warm cloth, but this is not pleasant weather like spring. Okay, in this season we feel dry outside, dry wind, and also in this season leaves fall from the tree. Now you can see here, can you see here what is the difference between this plant and this plant? This plant is in autumn, and in autumn leaves fall from this plant. That's why you can see like this yellow color. Okay, And also animals in this season, in the autumn, animals sleep during winter, begin collecting and eating food. In this season, animals try to collect food because after autumn, which season comes after autumn? Winter. And that's why due to heavy winter, due to a heavy means snow falling, so in this season, most of the animals food, collect their food. Okay, and in this season, birds fly away to the warmer place where they can find food and place to live. So you can say also this is the time of migration. Okay, we migrate from one area to or one place to the another. What happens to the trees in your garden? And also you can observe this one. And you have seen, most of the students have seen like these plants. Like these plants, in those plants, their trees fell down. Okay. Third is winter. Third is winter. I told you one year is divided into four seasons. First one is spring, second is summer, and third is autumn, and fourth is winter. Now this is the winter. Also you can see here third type of plant. First plant you have seen that was too much green. Second plant you have seen with yellowish flower, yellowish leaf. But this plant there is no any leaf, no any leaf here. Now what happened in the winter? In winter the air becomes cold and chilly. We creep out of bed in the morning and put on some warm clothes. The days get shorter and the nights are cold and long. The mountain tops are covered with snow, and some animals sleep in the cold winter. If it is too cold, then even children don't play outdoors. Okay? I mean, this is the very, very cold season, and it starts from the December and end at till February. December, January, and then February. These 3 months are included in the winter. Okay, and this is very very cold season. And in this season, you want to sleep. We want to wake up. We don't want to leave our bed because we don't feel comfortable. We don't feel comfortable. We feel cold, and we want to wear warm clothes. Okay, and in this season, weather air is sorry very very chilly. Air is you feel chilly. Mean chilly means that air make you shiver. Okay, shivering. You feel shivering, and you don't want to leave your bed. You feel creep out mean you feel uncomfortable. Okay, you feel uncomfortable, and you don't want to leave your bed, and we want to wear warm clothes in the winter. Now, students, now in this time, which weather is this? This is the autumn. This is the autumn. But sometimes we feel cold because winter is coming. We feel cold because winter is coming. And also now you can observe, you go outside of your homes in the garden, okay, and you can observe the trees. You can observe the trees. There are some leaves on the trees, and these leaves are yellowish in color. These leaves are yellow. Okay. And what happened after this season? After this season will come winter. And what happened in the winter? In the winter there is too much cold, and also you can see snow on the top of the mountains. I mean, all mountains are covered with the snow, but in this Saudi Arabia, you can't see snow. But in different countries, or you can say in many countries of the world, in winter, tops of the mountains covered with snow. Okay, and in this season, most of the animals sleep during cold winter, and if there is too much cold, you or we can't go outside. We cannot play outdoor games. And in this season, in winter, nights are long as compared to days. Okay, nights are long as compared to days. And what happens in the summer? In summer, nights are short as compared. I mean, days are longer than nights. And in winter, days are shorter than nights, and also nights too much cold. Okay. Now here is question: which indoor game do you play in the winter? This is very interesting question. Now, if you want to enjoy your winter, you can choose or you can do different things. First of all, you can play. You can play some indoor games like table tennis, carom board, basketball, and some other type of games you can play at your home. Okay, what are the indoor games? Indoor games are those games you can play in a room inside, not outside of the house or outside of any room. And you cannot go in open air in open ground. Okay. Now, what about the monsoon? What about the monsoon? Monsoon is also, you cannot say this is the one type of season, but this will come in summer. Okay, because we know that summer season is wet. Is wet mean in this season in July and August, and there are too much rain. So this is the rainy season, and this season is called monsoon. Okay, in this season, most of the time you can see grey clouds in the sky, and the winds begin to blow, and there may be some or a lot of rain. In this season, you can see most of the clouds in the sky and also lot of rain. And this season is called monsoon. Now, question is, what do you um, do when it rains, or what happens to the roads and trees? First of all, I want to tell you about the roads and the trees in this season, in the monsoon season, because there is heavy rain, and due to this rainy season, trees fell down and roads becomes damaged and also filled with water and broken branches of trees. Due to the heavy season, due to the wind, um, most of the trees are, you can say, branches of the trees broken, and due to the broken branches of the trees, roads fail. Okay, so in this season, you can say roads damaged, becomes damaged, and also filled with water, and also filled with broken branches of the trees. Okay. Now, what do you do when it rains? Now, this is the question from you. What you can do in the rain when there is a rain? But I want to tell you, you can do in the rain. You can first of all you can play in different games, and also if you feel cold, then make a healthy soup and enjoy the soup, and also not you kids, we all we can do different or works like your mothers mend your clothes, and also turn up the music, and you can enjoy, and this is the best for you. You can improve your writing. You start writing in the rain, and also improve your writing, and also you can read storybooks. Okay, read storybooks and write stories from yourself. Okay, write your own story, write your own essays, and reading. Okay, read storybooks, read you can say read of your historical heroes like this. Okay, in this way you can improve your writing, and also improve your reading. Okay, students. Now just I want to show you some flowers. You can see these flowers in the spring. Okay, in the spring. These are the some flowers. Just look at these flowers, and try to find these flowers here. But here in the Saudi Arabia, I have seen this flower, bell flower. Okay, and also this one for peace and peony. You can see these flowers. And this is the autumn season. This is the autumn season. And just you can look at this picture and you can tell to anyone, if anyone asks from you which season is this, then you can say autumn. Why? Because you know that in autumn season, most of the leaves of the plants turn change into yellow colors and also fall down. And you can, I also told you what happened with the roads. As you can see here, roads are filled with the leaves, filled with the leaves. Okay, so this is the autumn. Understood? Understand, students? Inshallah, I hope you will understand it. You will try to collect observations regarding these seasons. Okay, spring, summer, the autumn, and winter. And now what about the homework? Your homework is read the whole unit number 11 two times and also try to understand, try to differentiate between the seasons, what happened in the spring, what happened in the summer, what happened in autumn, and what happened in winter. Now this is the season, this current season, this is the autumn, and after in autumn, after 1 month will come winter. So this is very very easy for you. You can collect some information and also you can observe the weather. Okay, take care. Inshallah, I hope you will understand it. You will learn it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.